Okay, in the game, it's possible for each player to score between 1 and 10 points. Lois and Becca play the game 5 times. Table below shows the points scored by Lois in each game. Okay, so it says then Becca had a lower mean score than Lois. Becca had a lower median score than Lois. Becca had a lower range scores than Lois. Okay, complete the table, set of values. Now, what I'm thinking here, right, to get set of values here for Becca is you need to work a lot of things out on you for Lois, right? Because it's comparing them, isn't it? You know, higher mean, higher median. So let's just work them out for Lois. Let's start with her first then. Okay, let's see what we can do here with this, because you pick up marks, right? Even if you can't fill things in here, you pick up marks for working this out. So Lois then, let's get the mean. Let's add them up. 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, so that mean, add them up. Divide by only there. 5 games there. So this comes to 21 divided by 5. Okay. 5 goes into 21 4 times with 1 left over. So 4 and 1/5, which is 4.2. So that's Lois's mean. Okay, let's get her median. So put them in order. 1, 2, 5, 5, 8. So then Lois's median is equal to 5, and then her range then straight away I can see from the ordered list will be 8 take away 1, which is 7. Okay, so we've got information there about Lois. Let's go to Becca now. Becca had a higher mean score than Lois. Okay, right, so it's got to be more than 4.2. She has a lower median score than Lois. Right, so Lois's median is 5. So because we did in these points here are whole numbers, aren't they? She had to have less than 5. So with Becca, so the median, and it's got to be less than 5. Okay, the mean has got to be more than 4.2, and then the range, Becca had a lower range. So range has got to be less than 7. Okay, so that's sort of yeah, there's lots of things going on there, isn't there? I mean, it's a case of just probably just choosing some numbers. What I would say as well is the fact that her mean has got to be more than 4.2. Okay, it's got to be more than Lois's. Really, what we can say is here that Becca's total score has to be more than 21. You could think of it that way, rather than focusing on the mean. The scores that she adds up to has got to be more than 21, so we can think about it that way. Okay, so that might be a helpful way. So let's go then with the median, because I think the median is always a good place to start. Median's got to be less than 5, so let's just choose 4 to be the median, and we'll try and put them in order here before we fill anything on the table. Okay, so we'll go for a median to be 4. Right, we won't go too low. Okay, because remember her mean has got to be above 20, above 4.2. Her total's got to be above 21. So if we go for the median to be 4, okay, just 1 less than that. Range then has got to be 7. Okay, so let's go high with the possible mark. Remember, you can only score 10 points in this game. So let's go high. I'm going high because her score's got to be more than 21 total. So if her range is going to be less than 7, that means her lowest score would have to be 4, wouldn't it? The lowest score would have to be 4. Okay, so that's a bit of a conundrum, because the range is going to be less than 7, which means then this could only be, that's a 6, isn't it, as it is? So maybe then we'd have to go with a few 4s here. Okay, remember now we need this to be in the middle, so we'd have to have 2 values this side. And then maybe we'd have to put any value here. Put 8. See if that works. So what do they add up to? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 10 is 30. Okay, so our average is going to be 6. Her mean is going to be 6 there, isn't it? Because 30 divided by 5 is 6. That ticks that off, right? So we've done that. Median is less than 5. Well, we've done that. Range is less than 7. We've done that. There you go then. Sorted. So we can just use them. Okay, there's probably loads of other ways you can do this. Okay, so you don't need to necessarily restrict to how I've done it here. But you just got to make sure you satisfy all those conditions, and also make sure you satisfy this as well. Okay.